peoples, what was your homework? Stand up, big. What was your homework?
Or how you was to be.
Tell me about to be where.
To be fe'li bo'lmoq sog'lamoq degan ma'noni anglatadi o'zbek tilida. Mansandir degan qo'shimchalarga to'g'ri keladi. To be fe'li am is are fe'llar am is are fe'llari keyin hozirgi zamon shakli, darak shakli I ga am, he, she, it ga is, we use ga are, we use ga are. Misol keltiraman. I am people, she is teacher, we are peoples.
Sit down. Please stand up. Dilshot. Tell me about question form and negative form verb to be.
To be fe'lining so'roq shaklini yasash uchun to be egada oldinga o'tkaziladi. Masalan, is he doctor? U doktormi? Formulasi to be plus subject plus noun. Imkon shaklini yasash uchun to be dan keyin not imkon yuklamasi qo'shiladi. Masalan, he is not doctor, u doktor emas. Formulasi subject plus to be plus not plus noun.
Sit down. Who can tell me about his family? Family. Stand up, Yunus.
About my family, my name is Yunus. I have got Mukuru family. There are 6 people my family. There are my father, my mother, my 2 sisters, my little sister and me. My father is businessman, my mother is teacher. I study military school in Termes.
Okay, sit down. Who can tell me about himself? Stand up, Bahriddin.
About myself, my name is Bahriddin, my surname is Bakhtar. I am from Uzbekistan. I live in Termes. I'm 12 years old. I study military school in Termes. My hobby is playing football. I like football. I don't like cooking. I have got a big family. My dream is to become a soldier.
Okay, sit down, Bahriddin.